Get out the car. We'll just point down to you. What's your name, sir?
My name's Elon Raisin.
All right, Delon, do you mind stepping out? Just turn. Elon, all right. Kind of explain to me what happened, ma'am.
Well, I was coming back from work, and the first two underpasses were kind of flooding, but all the cars were freely moving through it. This was the last underpass, and all the cars were making it, and I have a raised lift thing on my car, so I pushed the button, it went up, and right as soon as I'm about to break out from the water, it died.
Wow, and how long have you been sitting down there, sir?
Probably about an hour and a half.
Hour and a half. Now, they say, I mean, you thought you could make it because you saw other cars going, correct?
All the cars were going, and then I guess it got to the highest point where cars were just getting stuck.
Now, can you...
Right at that point, it was too late to turn back.
Do you know how high the water came to your car? Did it go over the wheels, over the exhaust?
It didn't go over the wheels. It went up halfway on my wheel. You could see the water mark, mid wheel cap. So it really wasn't that high. Just the big cars and trucks that went by me were making big waves, and I think the waves came up inside my exhaust.
Right, okay, and that essentially what stalled you, correct? Like right now?
Right.
Yeah.
Now, this is your tow truck. You've been waiting for an hour for this one?
Yeah, I think, for me. See those waves coming?
Yeah.
You know, that's just a little bit of wave.
Now, I've never been in a situation like that, Elon. How scary was it, or how do you describe it?
Well, to be honest, I lost all power, and I couldn't open the windows to the doors, and it was pretty hot in there. and I was kind of freaking out for a little while when the other cars were bouncing around and it kind of swerving a little bit, almost like they were floating.
All right, so we see you're happy to see that guy, huh?
Yeah, I got to talk to him now.
All right, thank you so much. Thank you. Let me ask you a question. Obviously, he called you. Was he a little in panic mode or what?
He was upset. He was like, honey, I'm stuck in water. I'm like, what? Like, it's not even raining. You're stuck in water. So, yeah, he was upset. So I called Mercedes. He got on the phone with a tow truck driver. We're having the car towed to the dealership, and I was like, baby, I'll get there as fast as I can. Just hold on.
I mean, obviously, you wanted to be here for your man, but
Yeah.
What really could you do when you got here?
You know what? I wanted to be able to help him get out of the car if he needed it, because he couldn't get the windows down and he couldn't get the door open because of the water. So I wanted to be able to be here for him. I would have jumped the fence. I would have busted in the window if I had to make sure that he was all right.
And he said it was hot in that car.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
All right. I mean, we hear about flash floods all the time. This is proof, huh?
Proof. I was like, you never know. You just never know. You never know what to expect. Every day's a blessing. So you just never know.